Learn how to teach your dog to high five or shake paws. Step 1. Place a treat in your hand and make a fist. Make it clear to your dog that there is a tasty treat inside your fist. Place your fist on the ground and encourage your dog to get the treat out. If your dog puts their paw on top of your hand, immediately open your hand and let them get the treat. If they don't place their paw on your hand, try moving your hand around and encourage them to catch your hand. They will try and stop your hand from moving by holding it down with their paw. Reward your dog anytime they place their paw on your fist. Step 2. This time, repeat step 1 without putting a treat in your hand. Your dog may think you still have a treat in your hand and they may put their paw on top of your hand in order to get the treat out. If they do, reward them. Step 3. Try placing your hand flat on the ground and reward your dog for touching their paw to your open hand. You may have to move your open palm around a little bit to encourage them to put their paw on. When your dog is confident, try gradually increasing the height of your palm. Remember, reward your dog any time they go to put their paw on your hand. When your dog is confident, try saying high five or shake just before you hold your palm up.
Yeah.
This is how you introduce a verbal cue.
High five. Yes. Good boy.
And that's how you teach your dog to high five or shake.
Good boy.
For more trick tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.